Tired of clunky, outdated contact forms that don't connect to your client management system? Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate HoneyBook with Squarespace, turning your website into a lead-generating machine. This is the first step to optimizing your site for lead generation. First, log into your HoneyBook account and navigate to the Contact Forms section under the Tools tab. Here, you can either use an existing form or create a new one. For this tutorial, let's customize a pre-existing form. Click the Edit button on the form you want to use. Customize your form by adding or removing fields, changing the design, and adjusting the confirmation message. Clients will see after submitting. Make sure to align the form's aesthetic to match your brand for a cohesive user experience. Once you're happy with your form, click Save and Embed. This will generate the code you need for Squarespace. Select your preferred embedding option. Inline embeds the form directly on a page, while Separate Page creates a dedicated landing page for the form. Choose the inline option for this tutorial. Copy the provided code snippet. Now, head over to your Squarespace website and open the page where you want to embed the HoneyBook contact form. Add a code block to your Squarespace page by clicking the plus icon where you want the form to appear, and then searching for code. Paste the HoneyBook code into the code block. You might see a blank space initially, but don't worry, the form will render once you save the changes. Preview your Squarespace page to ensure the HoneyBook contact form is displayed correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the code block size to ensure it looks perfect on both desktop and mobile. Now for the magic. Utilize HoneyBook's automation features to set up automated follow-up sequences for new leads. This ensures no lead slips through the cracks, allowing you to convert more inquiries into paying clients. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your HoneyBook contact form with Squarespace. Start capturing leads effectively and let HoneyBook automate your client management process. And out, you can relax and convert those leads into clients.